Hi folks, today I am going to prepare this holy basil tea or tulsi ki chai. This chai is important for our health. So here I have taken chai wala pan on the gas. So I am taking 2 cup of drinking water and lit the flame. So let it heat it, and here you see I have taken holy basil or tulsi ki patti. So I will pluck it from the top of the stem. See, it's a very fresh leaves. So I will wash it and break it into several parts by the hand and drop in into water. So here I am adding the tea dust. 1 spoonful of tea dust I have added, and cover it and let it boil for 4 to 5 minutes so that a concoction will be ready. This step is very important because the all essential oil through the steam will mix in the water, right? And the color of the water is changed. See, a very nice color has appeared. Here I am adding 1 cup of full cream milk. You can add toned milk also. Sugar I am adding, you can skip it because the lactose of the milk make the sweet taste of the chai. So you can totally avoid it. Now I will let it boil for 4 to 5 minutes on the medium flame. You know, tulsi leaves or holy basil leaves has mercury, so don't take it raw or chew only. Whenever you want any remedy from tulsi tea, make a concoction or arc by boiling with some liquid material like water, milk or anything liquid part, and after that you can consume it. So don't take it raw or chew with your teeth only. So here I have boiled, and see the small bubble has come, and the color is also looks very nice. Don't over boil it, and switch off the flame, and I will strain it through the strainer and serve in cups. So 2 cup of tea or more than that, here nearly half cup of tea has remained, so I will take it later. And see, tulsi tea has been ready to serve. You can take it any time of the day, especially after lunch and dinner. You can have it. It is very good substitute of the green tea. And if you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel. It's totally free. Thanks for watching.